Hi everyone, welcome back to my another new blog video. And in this video, I would like to say something about in this place. As we can see, this place very mesmerizing and very amazing scenery because nowadays actually some days rain and some days actually not rainy days, so actually all environment greeny environment and all like plants are, I can see green. Okay, so and also these paddy plants also look like a green and day by day growth. So this place very mesmerizing. I love to this place. So that's why I every day I can share with you this place, and I also try make good quality video, and I describe that type of place because I am a villager. So that is why I love to village environment. And village environment and very I like actually very amazing. Okay, so actually I'm a villager, and as well as I am a English learner, and as well as I am a English content creator and English blogger. Okay, so when I free time I will go to different type of location and describe those type of location. I make a blog video. Okay, so nowadays I can't go any different places, so that is why I make video in our local area, in our village area. Okay, so as you can see, our behind side there is a on jute field. It's called also jute plants. Okay, so and another side, like all around side, it's a paddy field. Also it's called paddy plants, rice plants. Okay, so it is time actually 5 p.m. Indian time, not BD time, it's Indian time 5 p.m. and evening time I am free actually, so that's why I make blog video every day and regularly I make blog video. So actually my English is not good, and I try my video. Actually I will make a good quality video in English video. Okay, so wow, very nice scenery. Thank you, bye bye, next time, see you.